Hey everyone, it's Sameep. I have a 2011 Toyota Corolla S model, and the light bulb for a shifter is not working. So let's change it today. The light bulb is inside over here. Inside here, there's one bulb is gonna bright all of these things at night. When you turn the headlight on, the light goes on, and everything you can see in the night. So for this one, you don't need any special tool for it. It's a very simple process. The first, take the shifter out, put in the side, and there's a trim, one over here and one in the other side. This one you're gonna grab from behind here and put the little pressure and lift up. It's gonna come out. There's not that many clips. Oh, it's dirty. There's some clips. And the same thing over here. Just grab behind here, push. There you go. It's come out. Ready. Do not force too much, because these are the plastic things. You don't want to break these things out. You want to save some money by doing it yourself, not breaking things, And for this whole part, let's lift up this one. You can grab from here and this side. Go, grab it, put the little pressure, and this side, put the little pressure. There you go. Everything comes. This part is a little tricky, but it's not hard. For this one, there's a clip. One over here, one at the there, and one over here, and the other one is over here. For this one, I'm gonna use a little screwdriver. What I'm gonna do I'm gonna push this thing inside and lift up. Push this one and lift up. Same here. Push this one and lift up. And here and here. Because I'm holding the camera in one hand, I need both hands on this one. So the idea is there's the clip. You're gonna push inside, and this one lift up. So let me do it, and I'm gonna show you after that. Okay, when you take this two side out, these things just slide this side and come really easy. Just be careful with this part. These are the plastic things. You don't want to make any damage on it, because this is the one gonna hold the cover. Okay, this is the light bulb. You can take the bulb out and put the other one from here if you have a similar kind of bulb, but I'm using the LED bulb, so I want to fit it really perfect. So what I'm gonna do I'm gonna grab this one, twist, push down. There you go. This one is just pull out, and these are the two, but this is for the factory and this is I bought from the Amazon. I'll put the back. So I'm gonna put over here and push, and I'm gonna show you. There you go. Perfectly fitting tight. Let me turn on and let's see it's working now. Ooh, look at this, how beautiful. This is LED lights. So the same thing, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put these things back to the hole from the bottom, and I'm gonna twist and fit. There's a thread. Look at, there's a thread. There's a thread on this piece too. If you see it, this part, and let me show you from there. There you go. Now is perfectly fit and properly working. So let's put the cover back. So this is the cover. You put from the middle. This part goes inside, and for this part you're gonna press a little bit, and it's go down easily. Then you're gonna line up the 1, 2, 3, and 4 side, and line up and push down. So it has to give a sound. There you go. Perfectly fit. The second part, this one. there's a clip, the yellow clip, the two clip and two holes. Line up. There you go. Perfect. And the side trim now. There's a 1, 2, 3, and a little bit of here. Look at this. The big one go in the top, line up with the top, and bottom one also line up and pose, 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 and then I do the same thing over here. Line up, line up. Oh, not. There you go. Line up. And you start from the top, clip, 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 and the shifter head. There you go. Now let's see. There you go. It's working now. And there you go. Now it's working. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.